the police authorities, my lord, what they have done, my lord, in this particular case, on the 22nd of July, my lord, the leader of opposition, my lord, had given a representation to the superintendent of police, Kuch Bihar, saying that on 5th of August, give us a time for half an hour. Certain MLAs will go and meet you with regard to three MLAs who were attacked inside court premises, my lord, in Kuch Bihar. Now, my lord, this representation, my lord, Lord may kindly sees the conduct of the police officers. Yesterday at 5:21 p.m., my lord, after the quotas, thinking that today is not a working day, they rejected our prayer, saying that no, it is not possible for us to do it. Now, my lord, in this backdrop, my lord, we are now moving a matter today, my lord, because my lord, today is the last working day of the circuit bench, and my lord, 5th is our date, my lord, on which we want to meet the superintendent of police just to give a deputation with regard to what has happened. My lord, even that meeting they have refused.
Deputation on what issue?
Issue is that three MLAs were assaulted, my lord, in the Kuch Bihar police district of the party in opposition, as if by the miscreants of the ruling party, that too, my lord, targeting them at various premises. One inside a
When this alleged assault took place?
20th and 21st of July. We have then given the representation on the 22nd of July. They responded to that yesterday evening at 5:21 p.m. rejecting it, saying that it is not possible for the SP to meet for half an hour from 1:30 to 2 p.m. certain MLAs of the party in opposition.
Well,
And I want,
but who is happening for the state?
Madam, we will give a short service, madam, because we have to file it, madam, because this cannot, they cannot, madam, Lordship kindly fixes the time at 12:30, madam, then we can immediately give the copy to the learned additional advocate general or madam, anyone appearing for the state and move the matter, madam.
We will at 12.
Deeply
Not
grateful.
12:30.
Deeply grateful. Deeply grateful.
Serve notice.
Yes, madam, we will do that. We will do that. Deeply grateful.
Yes, call the list.
One minute. This is my application minute. A matter relating to police in action.
Where is the other side?
On the other side, minute.
What is the urgency?
Agency minute, I made a complaint before the authority.
When complaint was?
Complaint was lost minute. 12th June 2025.
So why you have given a date of 2nd August?
In long service not for
Service not completed. But today, if other side is not there, there's a resolution. The resolution. Why, when the incident took place?
Initially, incident took place 2023. Subsequently, they
Well, next
threatened to withdraw the case.
Next circuit.
Yes, good.
Next circuit.
Item number 3 and 4, next circuit.
Next circuit.
Item number 5, Lordship. Item number 5, Lordship. A senior appear in online, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in the item number 2, I'm for the state lordship.
Item number 5 is called on.
Item number 5, I am for the petition.
My apology.
Yes. Go.
But here the petitioner application for transfer has been rejected. On the ground, petitioner application, the
When the rejection,
rank, then in
when it was rejected?
30th, but on 30th May 2025,
30th May. So then
now the urgency is
30th.
Now the urgency is the post against which the petitioner application is thought to be considered that is going to be filled up by the commission. The DI of school has.
So why you are moving now?
There is a new vacancy.
Petition was filed on 30th July. Why not 15 days back?
Kindly appreciate, without considering
May. This is the this order is dated 30th of May.
Yes, madam.
So why you are
without
moving now?
without now the post against which the petition
Next circuit.
But kindly appreciate, post will be filled up.
Sorry. देखिए मैंने एक बार देखिए go to the post circuit. না না এটা না যেটা এটা appear করছিল 5. You are appearing in 5.
Lordship,
This transfer matter,
Lordship.
where is the order? Mr. Bose was appearing.
Page 69. Page
11th August.
69.
But the notice has been given that the matter to be moved on 11th August to the learned advocate, to the government pleader, additional government pleader. Mr. Rai, when this notice was given?
My lord, he has personally served the copy of the writ petition upon me, my lord.
When?
Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday.
Now they are apprehending, petitioner is apprehending that on
Matter was on, book 630, 11/8/2025. Which I think that's still also, except they have served.
but what petitioner is apprehending?
Petitioner is apprehending
that
the commission.
that today is the date for counseling, 8 round of counseling.
My lord, yesterday.
When-
That,
Yesterday.
Yes.
So that
Yes.
post may be filled up.
my lord, this is a post with regards to, my lord, not in normal section, but in higher secondary section. So, my lord,
In upper
that is
primary,
not
yes,
correct.
Mr. Bose, as you are
Correct.
submitting that there is a possibility of filling up of the post, why you are apprehending?
My lord, kindly see is my lord the page 68, my lord, where my lord the DI has stated that new vacancy has arisen due to retirement of one Shubhamay Sarkar. That was not considered by the commission while considering the case of the petitioner, my lord. That is only the case of the page 68 was not considered by the chairman of the commission, my lord. My pursuant to the direction of this honorable court, I made an application, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, school
Just to-
forwarded my application.
So you are seeking transfer to a post of assistant teacher in English in in Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith.
Yes, my lord.
Now this memo was not considered by the chairman.
My lord, grateful, my lord. That is my case. My lord.
Yes.
My lord, if your lordships, my lord, kindly turns to, my lord, probably there are technical glitches on the part of the commission, my lord. My lord, being an officer of the court, I am submitting. It turns to page 55. In this case, my lord, petitioner made an online application earlier. My lord, probably, my lord, while considering the transfer application of the petitioner, chairman has considered his earlier application.
Yes,
Because of the
before.
fact that, my lord, the subsequent retirement of a person which was communicated by memo dated 22nd of 11 2024 by the district inspector of school
Yes.
was not considered, as it was not appearing in the portal, my lord, because portal has been suspended, so commission has no access in the portal.
So now,
My lord,
in view of this vacancy, which has arisen as it appears far back on 22nd of November 2024, why this
Yes,
will
my
not be considered against the transfer application of the petitioner?
Yes, my lord. Because, my lord, present transfer application was made by the petitioner pursuant to order of the Honorable Justice Amrita, my lord. So, my lord, direction.
What was the order passed by Justice Sinha?
My lord, kindly
My lord,
turns
to
to
make an
It
application
was
for
lordship in page
Page number
63.
63.
My lord, page 63, my lord.
63, my lord.
Now, the vacancy which has been referred to in paragraph 3 of the order dated 4th October 2024 relates to this vacancy in Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith.
Yes, my lord. Vacancy arisen, my lord, on, my lord, 1st August 2024, my lord.
Just a minute. But Siliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith was considered by the commission, Mr. Bose, as it appears. Come to page 69. First preferred school Siliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith, and your rank was 8. You are not audible.
Siliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith rank 8, my lord. It cannot, my lord, subject to my lord kind correction, it cannot be done, my lord, since it was an offline application and portal is closed, my lord. Nobody had the opportunity to, my lord, apply in respect of this post. Subject to my lord's kind consideration.
Yes, Mr. Rai.
Yes, madam. If your lordships kindly turns to page 55 once,
Yes.
he earlier occasion made one application on online portal, madam. There also, my lord, his first paper school is Siliguri Jagadish Vidyapith.
Yes.
Subsequently, another post was vacant, my lord.
Oh,
Due to
that is
retirement of
in connection with the consideration which was made by the School Service Commission in connection with an application made on online portal. Online portal.
Online portal.
Where petitioner
So, my lord,
stood,
direction.
where petitioner stood 9th.
9th, my lord.
Where petitioner stood 9, not 8. Petitioner stood 9.
My
It is
lord,
wrongly stated 8. Petitioner stood 9.
Present.
But that is in
Present-
connection with that is in connection with another post.
Another.
Now subsequently,
Another
because this exercise was made must be prior to the forwarding of vacancy by the district inspector of school on 22nd November 2024. Now the new
Yes,
vacancies arise. So in view of new vacancy,
Yes.
Justice Sinha permitted the petitioner to make a representation which is to be forwarded through GI to the commission and commission to take decision. Now what commission did,
My lord, not in
chairman,
view of,
yes,
my lord, not in view of new vacancy, my lord. My lord, in earlier round of litigation, my lord, there was another issue was involved that whether the 4142 is applicable or not. So without going to that controversy, petitioner, Justice Sinha, my lord, directed the petitioner to make a fresh application before the commission so that his application may be considered. In view of the order passed by Justice Sinha, my lord, petitioner made the press representation indicating the similar school opted in earlier while he has applied in online portal. That creates entire difficulty, my lord.
so therefore the application which was made in terms of the order dated 4th October 2024, that was in connection with those
Yes, sir.
options which were there in online application.
Online application.
But subsequently post is lying vacant, as it
Right.
appears from page 68.
Another-
That
Yes.
post was not considered in connection with the first application of the petitioner,
Well.
where petitioner's
Yes,
rank was 9. Now
Right.
petitioner prays for
9.
consideration afresh in view of this notifying vacancy by the
Communication.
DI to the. So very well, let a fresh exercise be carried out by the chairman, considering the vacancy which is lying in Siliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith as
Right.
notified by the
Right.
DI to the
Yes.
chairman.
Great.
Yes.
Grateful, madam.
Yes.
My
So
lord, may I only-
no fresh application is required to be made in that event.
No, my lord, no, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I am only indulgent, my lord. Kindly direct the secretary, my lord, because of the
Whether the secretary
fact-
party,
my lord, the advocate on record is there, my lord. Kindly grant leave, my lord,
you
because
are advocate on record.
there
Very well, I'm
are
directing
three
secretary.
secretaries.
I'm directing secretary. Issue.
Grateful, my lord.
File your affidavit of service. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Stop. Petitioner, next paragraph, petitioner prays for transfer to the post of assistant teacher within bracket PG, close bracket. Now, to the post of assistant teacher in English within bracket PG in Siliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith. Stop. Petitioner at present is working
But in Batashi,
yes. Batashi, yes, it is there. In Batashi, Shastriji High School within bracket HS. Stop. Challenge has been thrown, or challenge is thrown, to memo dated 30th May 2025. Wherein Chairman West Bengal Central School Service Commission decided transfer application of the petitioner and same was rejected, observing that in the earlier transfer application, petitioner preferred Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith as one of the petitioner opted Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith as one of the preferred school, or as first preferred school, but petitioner ranked eighth. Stop. It is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioner online. Now, who appears on virtual mode? Who appears on virtual mode? That subsequent to the application made seeking transfer in terms of the order dated 4th October 2024 passed by a coordinate bench on the writ petition being WTA 202 of 2024, a vacancy arose in Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith as it appears from memo dated 22nd November 2024 issued by District Inspector of Schools AC Siliguri. Stop. It is also contended the vacancy which arose, which was notified to the chairman West Bengal Central School Service Commission within bracket for short commission by the concerned District Inspector of Schools is not the vacancy against which transfer of the petitioner was considered. Based on transfer application made on online mode, or based on transfer application made on Utsotsi portal, and the subsequent exercise made by the chairman of the commission while passing order dated 30 May 2025. Stop. It is submitted since a new vacancy has arisen in Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith, same may be considered for petitioner's transfer based on the application, based on transfer application made in terms of the order of the coordinate bench dated 4th October 2024 by setting aside this memo dated 30th May 2025. Next one. State respondents and West Bengal school, state respondents and commissioner represented by learned advocates. Stop. Mr. Rai, learned advocate representing the commission on virtual mode, submits at the time of taking decision as contained in impugned memo dated 30 May 2025. Concerned, the chairman of the commission had to take decision on the basis of transfer application made in terms of the order dated 4th October 2024 passed by the coordinate bench. In the said transfer application, petitioner opted the post in Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith, which was indicated in his previous transfer application made on designated portal. Stop. Therefore, the chairman of the commission had no other option but to take into take into consideration the said post in Jagadish Chandra Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith, against which petitioner was found, against which petitioner ranked 8th or petitioner ranked 9th, resulting in refusal to transfer the petitioner to Jagadish Chandra to Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith. Next paragraph. However, having heard the learned advocates representing the parties, it appears situation is altered due to notifying vacancy by the District Inspector of Schools AC Shiliguri via memo dated 22nd November 2024 to the chairman of the commission. কি বললাম? Notifying vacancy, notifying another vacancy. Notifying another vacancy in Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith. Notifying another vacancy in Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith. Stop. Therefore, memo date impugned memo dated 30th May 2025 is set aside.
Yes.
And secretary of the commission is directed to consider afresh transfer application of the petitioner, which was made in terms of the order dated 4th October 2024 of the coordinate bench within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order, taking into consideration the vacancy which was taking into consideration the vacancy in Shiliguri Jagadish Chandra Vidyapith as notified by the District Inspector of Schools AC Shiliguri to the chairman of the commission via memo dated 22nd November 2024. Stop. The decision to be communicated to the petitioner by 10 days thereafter. Stop. The writ petition stands disposed of, urgent xerox certificate.
Till such time, my lord, the no recommendation may be made, my lord.
My lord, if
No,
your
it has
lordship
to be
kindly
considered first. Where is the scope
Consider.
of recommendation now?
No, my lord, if the
Court has
vacancy-
directed to consider your transfer against this post.
Now, my
But
lord, I
other
came to
decision
know now the attempt
postgraduate
is
post.
to fill up
Yes.
this vacancy, my lord.
Postgraduate post. It cannot be recommended in upper primary,
Yes,
higher secondary section.
it is a PG post. Where is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
scope of recommendation? আচ্ছা আরেকটা করো। Leave is granted to the learned advocate representing the petitioner to amend the cost title and add secretary West Bengal Central School Service to add secretary West Bengal Central School Service Commission as additional respondent.
Great, great.
To amend the cost title and secretary West Bengal Central School Service Commission as additional respondent. Stop. However, service of notice upon the additional respondent stands dispensed with since commission is represented by learned advocate.
Great.
Urgent xerox certificate. কত amended is last date. Who is for the petitioner? I am for the petitioner. What is the urgency? The
My lord,
last date it has
urgency
to
is
be
that
heard.
the police authority, my lord, stop my construction of my house, my lord. Construction of my house. My lord, the fact is that I am owner of the land measuring 4 cutters in LR plot number 251.
When this construction was stopped?
My lord, in last occasion, in 2 occasions, my lord.
No, I am asking
January,
you when this construction was stopped.
In the month of January and subsequently, my lord, in the month of May, my lord.
Very well, let it be in the next circuit or at the first date. Next circuit at the first date. What was any direction was given to file a report?
No, my lord, there is no direction.
Just a minute. So have you served notice upon respondent number?
Yes,
5
yes,
to
my
10?
lord. 5 to
Yes,
10
I'm
is appearing.
appearing.
I served
That
advocate.
respondent number, they are the respondent in this writ petition.
They are the
Yeah,
respondent. 5 to 10, my lord.
So is there any civil dispute
Yes,
continuing?
civil dispute.
Civil
And,
dispute, my lord, civil dispute.
My lord, I require to file an affidavit. Because there is a civil.
My lord,
But
my lord,
if the construction is being carried out by you
by-
upon obtaining sanction plan,
yes, my lord. My lord, I have obtaining loan. Yes, yes, my lord.
have you obtained sanction plan from the Siliguri, from under which municipality?
Siliguri Municipal Corporation. my lord.
Have you obtained
Yes,
sanction plan?
yes, yes, my lord.
So why you have not added Siliguri Municipal Corporation as
No,
part?
my lord, the difficulties is in this matter, they have filed a suit, but my plot, Villar plot number 251 is not the subject matter of the suit, title suit, my lord. In despite of that, the police authorities stopped my construction because they said, the police authority said, that my suit is subject matter to the title suit, my lord. And there is an injunction on my plot.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly
Show me
come,
the injunction order.
kindly come to the plane.
My lord, kindly come to the plaint, my lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it part of record? Plaint.
Plane, yes.
Yes, in supplementary affidavit. But-
Firstly, my lord, kindly come first to their contention. Then I am going to the plane. From page number, para number 1 only.
So your land which is in question is plot number 251, LR Kotiar number 562.
Yes, my lord. But in the plaint, my lord, kindly come to page number 8 of supplementary affidavit, my lord.
Page number?
8 of supplementary affidavit.
Yes, page
But
number.
there is a schedule, my lord.
Who is the you are the plaintiff in that suit? Yes.
My lord, kindly see the LR plot numbers. 359, 371, 374, 375 and 376, my lord. There is no 250.
Ilar, just a minute, Khatiyan number, then. Ilar, where from you are getting Ilar plot number? This Ilar 442, 443, 441.
Plot number, my lord, plot number RS 383.
Yes, plot number RS.
383 665, comma 384 666, 384 667 520. LR plot number 359, 371, 374.
The Ilar plot number 251562. 251562. Yes, Ilar number is not matching with
Yes,
this
that,
plot
that
number.
I am coming. Kindly come to their pleadings that they came, that is, they file also WS also. From the para number 2, they derive the title from the title, kindly come to para. How they came?
Para number 2
of this writ petition also. Para number 2 of the writ petition.
Yes.
Their main assertion is from the RS plus. Sharad Kumar Rai was the recorded owner, was the recorded tenant of the land measuring so and so, including RS plot number 683 or 6665 of RS Kotian number so and so. This RS plot subsequently was transferred to different owners, lastly to the plaintiff, and thereafter it is renumbered.
But this RS plot number 38365 is not.
Yes, the suit plot.
251562.
No, that is the suit plot. Kindly come to the suit plot.
My lord, the RS plot
Please,
number.
let me submit.
Yes.
Submit it. Kindly come to the suit plot schedule.
Suit plot in your plaint.
In a plaint.
Yes.
This RS plot.
Where suit plot? Which page?
Page number 83.
Schedule land.
Schedule land.
Yes.
Come to the plot number. RS.
Just a minute. Plot number RS, yes.
383 or 665. It was further renumbered to various plots.
383, 665.
Right.
But
Yeah, I am coming.
but in the writ petition, it is 562. LR plot number 251. LR Khotian number 560.
Yes, that I am coming. This RS plot number 383 of 665 are renumbered to various plots, including 251 that they are claiming, and this LR plot that is made here. Now, the plaintiff, the petitioner is trying to construct their boundary wall, is trying to encroach in the land of the defendant, this plaintiff, that is opposite party. That's why they are made the party to the suit. In the field, the plot number are not demarcated or cannot be seen. They are encroaching to our
demarcation. How can you can
Yes.
do this?
No, my lord.
We have to demarcate.
Are you enjoying any interim order?
I am enjoying
my
the
lord.
interim order. Kindly come. I am enjoying. Kindly come to the page number.
What was the order passed? Tell me.
Injunction order, restraint order.
Where? Which page? Writ petition.
They are not annexed. Annexed.
Then
My lord, page 85. No, my lord.
Now let me finish. Let me finish. My lord, kindly come to the their assertion in page number 12.
no. Where is the injunction?
Injunction tower.
Page 85, my lord.
Page 86.
Status quo, my lord.
Page 85. tried to maintain status quo.
No, unless until this demarcation is.
No, my lord.
How this writ court will permit you to.
My lord, they are specifically in their title suit, they are specifically mentioned the LR plot, which is derived from the RS plot,
Yes.
but not.
Very well, don't invite me today to pass an order. Let it be considered by the bench, because otherwise I have to, today, if you, in that event, otherwise you can prefer file and your affidavits.
Yes.
Because without affidavit, the issue cannot be decided. But at the same time, this is a writ petition. Where is the scope of admitting this writ petition when there is civil dispute pending on the same land? And the plaintiff being the private respondent herein, plaintiffs are enjoying an interim order, an interim order of status quo. What was passed on 11 July 2024? Subsequent.
Yes, more the order subsequently they purchased the land.
No,
Ad interim order injunction was passed on 26 June 2024.
2024.
Subsequently, matter was fixed on 11 July 2024. What happened?
It extended.
Still it is extended.
Yes, they appeared. My lord,
please
let me complete.
You can take steps in the pending suit.
No,
Yes.
my lord, I'll
take steps in the pending
take,
suit,
but
asserting your right that this suit land is to be kept outside, beyond the purview of the suit land.
No, my lord,
Beyond the purview, because this is not the how the writ court can enter into.
no, my lord, the my plot is not the subject matter of the suit land.
That has to be decided.
No,
Writ court will decide it
No, specifically.
during pendency of the title suit.
No, my lord,
So you take steps, make a file and move an appropriate application before the civil court.
Yes, ma'am.
For getting an appropriate order that this land is not the part and parcel of the land in question, which is under consideration in the title suit.
No, my lord, they are not mentioned my plot. So how can I, my lord, prefer an application before the?
No, they are saying that this particular
No, this is
land.
But they are not mentioned the my plot in the statute.
That 383665 is the mother plot.
But
Is
it
the
was,
mother plot
yes,
from where several plots were
but they are
subsequently
specific.
divided, and your plot is one of that
but
land which came under 383665.
But my lord, they are
And most
specific.
interesting, my lord, they had appeared on 18/12/2024 and they filed WS on 19/5, 5 months after.
No, my lord.
That was not accepted because 4 months has statutory period is over. They kept silent and went on filing the petition by their state.
My lord, they are
By
specifically
their
mentioned.
statement in the writ petition alone.
They are specifically mentioned the plots which they have.
Very well, do one thing. Have you made Siliguri Municipal Corporation as party?
No, my lord.
Made Siliguri Municipal Corporation party serve notice, come back. On what basis Siliguri Municipal Corporation has granted you permission, that has to be considered.
My lord.
And affidavit in opposition, my lord.
No, not at this stage, because his construction is stalled. No affidavit. No. Matter is heard. Today you have filed affidavit of
Affidavit
service.
service.
Today you have filed.
Today for the respondent number 5 to 10.
You have filed. You are representing respondent number 5 to 10.
Yes.
You are for the state.
I understood the Bank Authority.
Affidavit in opposition, affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Next paragraph. It is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioner that in spite of obtaining sanction plan from Siliguri Municipal Corporation for making construction over a plot of land which being LR plot number 251/LR Khutiar number 562. This is the plot, your plot 251/562. 251 LR Khutiar number 562. Petitioner is being prevented from making construction. Prevented from making construction by the police authority. Stop. Petitioner prays for necessary direction upon the police authorities which show that petitioner can be permitted to make to carry on or to continue construction based on sanction plan accorded by the by Siliguri Municipal Corporation. Stop. Next,
Well,
however,
I-
learned advocate representing respondent numbers 5 to 10 has submitted that where is the injunction order?
Sanction order is page 85.
Has submitted that in connection with the pending title suit being number 3, in connection with pending suit being TS number, in connection with pending suit being TS number 348 of 2024, which was instituted by the respondent numbers 5 to 10. There was an injunction. There was a 5 to 10, an ad interim injunction was passed on 26 June 2024 by the civil court. Stop. According to the respondents, according to respondent numbers 5 to 10, the suit land covers the land in question in the present writ petition. Next paragraph. Such submission made on behalf of the petitioner, such submission made on behalf of respondent numbers 5 to 10 that the suit land includes the land of the petitioner on which construction was carried out or construction is carried out is disputed by the learned advocate.
Intended to carry. Yeah.
No, construction was started.
They started, but that was stopped.
Construction was carried out is disputed by the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. Next paragraph. Since it is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioner that sanctioned plan has been accorded by the concerned authority of Siliguri Municipal Corporation. Siliguri, you should take a leave.
No, sorry.
You should know.
Sorry, apologize, madam. No, I will just take instruction for the sanction plan regarding sanction plan. Whether this is the situation in Gram Panchayat area, madam. I just wants to.
Then how Siliguri Municipal Corporation will sanction plan?
So,
I'm
madam,
asking you.
I just apologize, madam.
Yes, is it under whether the
Let's-
plot comes under Siliguri
Let me
Municipal
see.
Corporation?
I'm seeing the headings. No, Siliguri Municipal Corporation, Dabram Mall. Siliguri Municipal Corporation. Dabram Mall.
It is out. Matter is heard in presence of the learned advocates representing the petitioner, respondent numbers 5 to 10 and state respondents. Stop. Police has stopped construction.
Madam.
The petitioner has prayed for direction upon the concerned police authorities. To permit the petitioner to carry on construction over a plot of land being LR plot number 251 and Khatian number and LR Khatian number 562. However, learned advocate next paragraph. However, learned advocate representing respondent numbers 5 to 10 has submitted that a title suit is has submitted a suit, a suit being TS number 348 of 2024 is pending. And respondents are enjoying an interim, an ad interim order of status quo, which was passed on 26 June 2024. Stop. According to the respondents, no, 2024. Stop. According to the respondents, suit land includes the land on which petitioner tried to make construction. Petitioner disputes such submission made on behalf of respondent numbers 1 to 5. And it is submitted that the land on which petitioner tried to make construction is not tried to make construction does not come within the purview of the suit land. Next paragraph. Which is the appropriate police authority? Have you made police party?
Yes.
Number PS.
No, NGP.
NGP police, NGP PS.
My lord, respondent number 3, New
New
Jalpaiguri
Jalpaiguri Police
Police
Station.
Station.
Inspector in charge, New Jalpaiguri Police Station, being respondent number 3, is directed to file a report as to why petitioner petitioner was restrained from making further construction. Stop. Let such report be file a report on the next date. Yes. কি বলছে? Let such report be filed by 10 days from date. Stop. List the matter in the second week of the next circuit commencing from 11th August 2025, subject to convenience of the
Maintainability point medic.
Stop. No, not at this stage. You come back. I have recorded your submission.
I am
But
not
the suit is
affidavit in opposition also.
No, I am not.
So maintainability, my lord.
In this matter, either he will get an order, a court will pass an order protecting the right of the petitioner so that he can carry out. Otherwise, petition will fail. There is no scope for keeping this writ petition pending when the suit is continued.
So that's why I say maintainability.
Why unnecessarily this writ petition will be kept pending by giving direction to exchange evidence? No. Let a fresh report be filed that is to be examined by the court on the next occasion. And if it is found that the issue is coming within the purview of civil issue, in that event, matter will the writ petition will fail. Otherwise, order is to be. Yes. for the-
My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
Who is for the state?
My lord, we have served a copy upon the state, my lord. As your lordship, my lord, is aware, my lord, that we had indicated to the state, but my lord, I don't see them appearing, my lord, right now. But your lordship, my lord, may kindly directs them, my lord, or directs, my lord, someone, because, my lord, what is happening is that after much difficulty, we have given them a copy also, my lord.
You have given
Because
about-
initially they were,
You have served
my lord,
copy.
GP office, Lord. GP
my
office.
lord, my lord.
So where is the GP? Tell him to come.
Yes, my lord. May it please your
Just-
lordship, if I
just
can
a
start my petition. Yes, my lord.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes.
My lord,
Yes, it's an urgent matter. If you do not appear, I won't hesitate, because the court has the power to dispense with Rule 26 and pass an order. So therefore, choice is yours. Mr. Shah, but when when the issue is urgent and today is the last date of the circuit, so therefore this court has no other option. Otherwise, this court could have fixed the matter on Monday, but there is no scope. Maybe you are additional government pleader, so you appear in this matter. Yes. What is the matter about?
yes, my lord. My lord, the petitioner, my lord, who is representing before your lordship, my lord, he is in the party in opposition, my lord, and my lord, hails from the Kalchini, my lord, district. Now, my lord, in this backdrop, my lord,
Who is
on
the
three,
petitioner? Leader of the opposition?
no, my lord, the petitioner is not the leader of opposition, my lord. Petitioner is one of the members of the party in opposition, my lord, and he is also, my lord, member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly, my lord, from Kalchini, my lord, which is
From
within the
which
district.
constituency?
My lord, Kalchini constituency.
Kalchini.
Yes, my lord. My lord, what has happened, my lord, is that the leader of opposition, along with certain MLAs, my lord, member of legislative assemblies, my lord, they intended to visit the superintendent of police, Kuch Bihar. Lordship, may kindly takes up my annexure P1, my lord. Your lordship, may kindly sees page number 22 of my application. My lord, if I can place it for your lordships.
Yes.
As per the
22nd
directions.
July 2025 email letter.
Email letter, my lord. Initially, we had sent it for 4th August at 4 p.m. Then after that, your lordship will see in the second half of the page, 23rd July 2025 at 5:44 p.m. My lord, we have then indicated that 5th of August 2025.
What is the contents of the letter? Just wait. Let me go through.
Yes, I mean, I was, my lord, indicating to place before your lordship, my lord, for your lordship's convenience.
But why with 60 BJP MLAs?
My lord, that number your lordship can restrict. My lord, that is a prayer.
That I will
number
not
your
permit.
lordship, that your
That may
lordship will
create
restrict.
a situation which is beyond control.
My lord, lordship may reduce that number, restrict that number.
Yes.
That is solely up to your lordship's prerogative. Now, my lord, what is bothering, troublesome rather, my lord, 23rd of July 2025.
When you are praying to meet the superintendent of police,
5th August, 5th August between 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. My lord. If your lordship sees the
to make a deputation.
Correct, my lord. To submit a deputation with regard to these attacks which is happening on certain MLAs of the party in opposition, targeting them.
When this attack took place,
Lordship may kindly see the latest attack which happened on the 20th of July 2025, which happened within the court compound. Your Lordship may kindly see
which
this
court
written
compound?
Dinahata court compound, Your Lordship.
Yes. So
My lord,
based on this, due to such incident, you want to, the petitioner wants to submit deputation before the superintendent.
not only this, my lord, there is another complaint, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord,
Yes.
interrupted your Lordship, my lord. My lord, Lordship sees another complaint which is on the 18th of July 2025, which happened while the member of Legislative Assembly was purchasing in the railway station, my lord. This is another attack.
Where is the decision that by which your request was turned
Yes,
down?
yes, my lord. Lordship, what is troublesome to me, my lord, 23rd of July, we indicated that 5th August between 1:30 to 2 p.m. That is at page number 22.
No, but in your
Lordship has seen
letter,
that.
it is 4th August, 4 p.m.
My lord may sees the second half. My lord, Lordship sees the second half of the page, of page 22. Second half of the page, 23rd July. Twenty-third of July, 25, 5:44 p.m. We have then indicated in bold 5th August between 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. instead of 4th August.
5th August means coming Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes.
Now your Lordship,
July.
yes, at 5:44 p.m. Now your Lordship sees their reply, my lord, page number 23. My lord may sees what time are they replying? On Friday at 5:21 p.m. The Deputy Superintendent, Pujbihar District, at Friday at 5:21 p.m., knowing that the courts will be shut, my lord, thinking rather that the courts will be shut, they will send this reply. Lordship may kindly sees.
Therefore, yes, Mr. Shaha, I will consider, I will change this terms and conditions because they prayed for meeting Superintendent of Police on 5th of August at at 4 p.m. or no, 5th of August at
1:30.
1:30 to 2 p.m. It's a working day. Now with 60 MLAs, that I will not permit. Because come to page 23. It is also Deputy Superintendent of Police, DIB Kuch Bihar. It was stated in the second paragraph that it is advised that bringing 60 MLAs to the small town of Kuch Bihar entails security related to concerns for the protectives as well as traffic congestion and other related problems for the common people, which in turn might overburden already preoccupied district. So I will permit the petitioner along with leader of opposition to meet the superintendent of police on 5th of August in between at 1:30 and 2 p.m. with 3 other MLAs. Total 5 will meet, not 60.
But
And
if
submit a deputation.
only I can request, my lord, 10 if it could be done 10 to 15. my lord.
No.
That is my
No, that is
then-
not required.
Very
Only requirement is that you want to submit a deputation to lodge your protest against the police atrocities which is being made on certain members of the particular political party. So therefore, the very purpose of submitting this deputation is to make the police authorities aware that so that such untoward incident may not take place, should not take place rather in future. So therefore,
and they should not.
therefore, gathering of 60 member of legislative assembly is not required. So
Not
I will
required.
permit the petitioner along with leader of the opposition and 3 other member of the legislative assembly to meet the superintendent of police on 5th and submit a deputation.
Between 1:30 to 2 o'clock, my lord.
1:30
Between deep.
Yes, yes. Issue. Petitioner is one of the members of the Legislative Assembly.
One of the members of the Legislative Assembly.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on stop. Your name?
My lord, Moyuk Mukherjee, my lord.
Yes.
Moyuk.
Yes. One of the members of West Bengal Legislative Assembly.
My lord, only one clarification. Sorry, my lord, I'm trouble. 3 members of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly, my lord, were attacked. 3, my lord. There are 3 complaints with them, my lord. One, I showed one complaint of the 20th. There are 2 other complaints, one of the 18th and one of the 10th. So this is a repeated thing, my lord. So three complaints are there of 3 MLAs, my lord.
Very well. I will not elaborate the complaints. Only thing
Very
is
well.
that the petitioner will
Deeply.
be permitted along with 4 other persons, including member of the member of the opposition, leader of the opposition, to appear before the superintendent of police Kuch Bihar in order to submit deputation.
Deeply grateful. Much grateful.
কি বলছিলাম? Service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. Stop. One of the members of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly who belongs to a particular political party or who belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party within bracket BJP has approached this court with the present writ petition, inter alia, questioning the decision of Deputy Superintendent of Police DIB Kuch Bihar, which was communicated to the who is Pradeep Kumar Chatterjee, page 23.
My lord, he is the personal assistant to the leader of opposition, my lord. He's a personal assistant, my lord. It was communicated.
Was communicated to the personal assistant to the leader of opposition of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. That the request made via email letter dated 23rd July 2025 for submitting deputation before the Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar on 5th August 2025 by attending the office of the superintendent, by attending the office of state superintendent of police. Is pond. Stop. It is submitted by Mr. Moyuk Mukherjee, learned advocate, representing the petitioner virtually, that there are certain incidents of police atrocities on members of Bharatiya Janata Party in the district of Kuch Bihar. This incidents took place in the district of Kuch Bihar, which prompted the petitioner being one of the petitioner being member of Legislative Assembly to attend the office of Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar along with leader of opposition of West Bengal Legislative Assembly and to be accompanied by other members of the Legislative Assembly. Stop. I know. Contestable problem. In this regard, email letter dated 23rd July 2025 was sent to the Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar, requesting him to permit the petitioner and other members of the Legislative Assembly to appear before him on 5th August 2025 to submit deputation. Stop. Next part. To submit deputation in order to lodge grievance or in order to lodge complaint against police atrocities which were taking place in Kuch Bihar. Stop. Next paragraph. However, on perusal of however, learned additional government leader representing the state respondents has made submissions to defend the contents of the communication made via email letter dated 1st August 2025, refusing a request of the petitioner to attend office of Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar on aforesaid date. Stop. It is also contended that if with 60 MLA, with 60 member of legislative assemblies, with 60 members of legislative assembly, if petitioner and leader of opposition are allowed to attend the office of Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar, that may lead to a situation which would be beyond control. Stop. Next paragraph. Having considered the submissions made on behalf of the petitioner and state respondents, and taking note of the request made by the petitioner with a email letter dated 23rd July 2025 to permit members of Legislative Assembly along with leader of opposition to appear before Superintendent of Police, Kuch Bihar. This court finds it apt to permit the leader of opposition, present petitioner, and 3 other members of Legislative Assembly to attend the office of Superintendent of Police, Kuch Bihar on 5th August 2025 in order to submit deputation to lodge complaints against police atrocities. Stop. However, it is clarified that not more than 5 persons will attend the office of Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar on 5th August 2025 in between 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. and they will submit their deputation and express their grievances to the Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar peacefully, without creating any disturbance. Stop. Let me dispose of the writ petition.
Absolutely, madam. Absolutely. The superintendent of police, my lord, will be present there on that set date, my lord. Otherwise,
Stop.
the,
Yeah, right. Stop. Superintendent of Police Kuch Bihar is directed to remain present at the time of submitting deputation before him by the petitioner, member of the Legislative Assembly, opposition leader of the Legislative Assembly, and opposition leader of Legislative Assembly, and 3 other persons / members of Legislative Assembly, or 3 other members of the Legislative Assembly. 3 other members of the Legislative Assembly. Stop. Next paragraph. Since no other issue is required to be considered in connection with the present writ petition, this court finds there is no purpose. This court finds no purpose would subserve in keeping this writ petition pending. Stop. The writ petition stands disposed of.
I'm deeply grateful to your lordship. Much grateful, my lord. On such a day, my lord, I'm sorry for troubling your lordship, my lord.
If
Deeply
situation
grateful.
requires, then that's why
Deeply
court is there.
Absolutely, my lord. Deeply grateful.
Otherwise, no use of keeping the court open on that too on Saturday.
Deeply grateful. Deeply.
Grateful.